So today I'm going to show you how to do a repeating seamless pattern in Procreate but using a rectangle shape, so not the usual square. So sometimes if you want to make a repeating pattern out of a shape that isn't a square. Here we go. This is my second attempt because I did it once without sound, so here we go again. So hopefully this will be a quicker process. Right, so for instance, what we want to do first of all is pick a colour, any colour. Let's go with this yellow. Drag that in, and then we go up to the toolbar, canvas, turn on the drawing guide. Then we want to edit the drawing guide to symmetry with the options of the quadrant. Done. And first thing we want to do is go into the move tool, make sure your snapping magnetics and snapping is on, and then we want to take one of the corners and drag it till it snaps. Then what we do is we go to the layers, click on the layer to select, and you see it goes a dark colour, and then we get a little heart come up that says save and load. We want to click that and click the plus button, and then we have selection 1. So next we go back to the move tool and we drag that across, and then we have to go to the layers again and do a select from the layer to get this little heart shape, save and load, and then we add that selection. Okay, so let's now press move, drag that down, click select, and so select it from the layer. And now you can do the plus sign. Basically, if you just select it from the top left, it doesn't let you save and load for some reason. So you have to go to the layers and select it from there. So let's deselect, press move, drag that across, go to the layers, select there. So you see it goes the dark purple colour, and then we know that we can save that selection. Okay, now then, let's clear that and fill again. I've got freeform on, so let's just cut that in half. So now we want to go to the layers, select, so we've got the half, bottom half, and select that. And then if we move it up, do the same again, select that. So now we've got the top and the bottom layers selections, and now we want to just change this box to the left hand side, turn assisted off there and select that. So that's selection 7, and then if we move that over to the right, go to the layers again, select, save and load. So there we have, we've got 8 selections. So we've got the 4 quadrants, top and bottom half, left and right panels. Okay, so let's deselect. Let's fill that square again. Go and turn the drawing guide off so you can see what we're doing. And now let's pick a colour. So let's just pick a dark green. Hang on, let's make the yellow a little bit lighter. And let's pick a dark green. Let's just do a rough kind of a pattern. So make a brush. I'm just doing a rough leopardy sort of thing, just so we can get a quick pattern going on here. Very basic. I'm doing this with my finger, by the way, which is why it looks so mental, because I didn't want the tap tap tapping of my pencil in the sound. So now then, what we want to do is let's just duplicate that in case we go horribly wrong, and then if we go up to select and we click on a heart now, you'll see that we don't have any of the blue, the dark thingies selected, but what we can do is click on selection 5, the bottom half, and then we go to the move tool and we just flip that vertically, and then go back to the select, the little heart, and click the top, and then to the move arrow and flip that vertically. And then if we deselect those, let's pick a different colour just so we can see what we're doing. I'll make the brush a little bit smaller, and then just fill in these gaps with your pattern. And next we go select again. So we just want to put these back where they were. So that's going to be the top and the bottom. So just flip those back. So that's select, and then the bottom one move. So that's those. But now we want to click the select again, and we pick the whole of the left hand side, and then when we go into the move tool we flip it horizontally and vertically, and then we go back to the select, click the select again, and we come down to the bottom and we want quadrant 2, click the move tool and we flip that horizontally and vertically, and then click on the select again, and we want quadrant 3. Click on the move tool, horizontal and vertical. Okay, so now let's pick another colour. Let's go for a bright pink and fill in some gaps here. Just do some random splodges here and there. Okay, so that should be your pattern. So let's duplicate that and that one off. Now what we want to do is go to the move tool, drag that up until it clicks in the quadrant, duplicate, the move tool again, drag that down, duplicate that, move tool, drag that across and move that up to the centre. Then we want to duplicate that twice, and we go to the move tool and we move right up to the top. Then we click on the one at the bottom and we move that down to the bottom, and there we have it, our half drop pattern, which has worked. So turn those off, and that's the original tile. So we can then save that. Had we have drawn the patterns on a different layer, then we could have changed the background layer, but anyway, just to show you how to do the drop, there we have it. So I hope that helps. Yep, so that's it for now.
Thanks for watching. I'd love you to like and subscribe. It will really help my channel.